This is Charli. Charli is a professional basketball player. I'm a big fan because he just scores a ton of points every time he's out there, so it's really, really cool. You guys should come out and watch him. We started because you had some low back pain, hips were misaligned, and you were experiencing some neck stiffness as well. So let's see how we're doing today. Go ahead and lie face down. Last game, we just did mainly stretches. That worked out okay for you?
Yes.
Good. Perfect. Awesome. So there's a slight discrepancy in leg length, and then I know that there was the disc issue at L5 and L4, 5. Tender there?
Yes.
Okay. And tender here?
Mm-hmm.
Similar or different pain?
Similar.
Okay. And then if we go above it?
Not as bad.
Not as bad. All right. So we're going to do a side posture first. Let me see which side we should do first. We should do this one first. That's tender.
Yep.
More on the right, less on the left.
Yes.
All right. Turn and face that way. Right side up. We're going to balance the hips. Release that one area. Then we'll do the other side, and then we'll open up the disc. So hold here, hold there. Perfect. Knee just a little lower. And I'm going to pull this just a little bit of a stretch. There we go. All right. Relax your abdominal muscles and let this come forward. Perfect. Turn your head toward the ceiling just slightly. One more time. Let yourself fall. Face the other way. And this goes up higher than the other side did. This one straight. Shoulder loose and relaxed. Head in the middle. Hold that. We're going to come up. I'm going to pull it down all the way. Drop that right foot, right knee straight. Good. One last one. Drop the foot, the right foot. And back on your stomach. Face down one more time. So, I want to see if the leg length evened out. That looks a lot better. I like to see the short leg actually get longer than the other one after an adjustment. So there might be something else. Do you feel tenderness here when I press?
Yes.
And not here, correct?
Yep, correct.
All right, so we're going to do one right there. This is an area where 5 separate muscles attach, including one of the heads of the hamstring. So I'm going to come back to the low back.
Okay.
And is that any less tender than before?
Yeah, a lot.
A lot. Good. Okay, so now we're going to go to that L5 disc. Not there. That's the spot. Do you feel that right now?
Yep.
Okay. 3 drops below it, 3 above it, and 3 above that. Let me tighten this a little. All right. Because what we saw on X-ray was that the disc space had narrowed. So we're going to go in the disc, push it up this way. There's a ligament between the spinous processes called the interspinous ligament. When the disc gets narrowed, that ligament feels bruised. That's why it's tender when I touch. So I'm not actually touching the disc, I'm touching the interspinous ligament. These adjustments don't hurt, right?
No.
Good. One more time. Beautiful. Now, I don't think it's going to be any less tender, but let's check.
It's less tender.
It is less. How about the one above it?
No tenderness.
No. Okay, wonderful. Well, there you go. Athletes always respond faster and better. Love that. Good. So one other thing I'm noticing is the curve here looks good. This dips in. So we want to pull this out. That'll take a lot of pressure off your shoulders. These are tight and tense, aren't they? All right, hang in there. Right one's worse than the left?
Yep.
Okay, and let me know when that starts to ease up. This is called vice grip technique. Named it myself.
Yeah, it's starting to loosen up now.
Good. Let me know when it's like 70% better. Good.
70%.
Turn over on your back. Slide down a tiny bit towards your feet and hands behind your neck. Interlock the fingers. Good job. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Fall back. One more time. Big one. Good. That wasn't too rough?
No, not at all.
You got that scrape on the last game, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that. Okay. There's tenderness right there. Even a little there too. So we'll do the right one first. Still there? Good. Another one. So help me decide, is there tenderness when I push on this one that's C3 or the front of C5?
C3.
Okay, and nothing in the front on that side either. Okay. There we go. So it's back. Beautiful. And that's better?
Much better.
Okay. Big pull. And let's do some more stretches. Good. How much you stretch regularly?
I would say about twice a day, 3 times a day.
Good. You ever watch my video on stretching? All right.
Where can I find it?
It's on our YouTube channel. It's called Advanced Stretching. We can probably email you the link.
I would love that.
It's a 20. It's for athletes. Yeah, it's not for the faint of heart. It's deep stretches. Sit up, have a seat. Check it out. See how you feel.
Oh, wow.
Good as new.
Really good as new.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Very cool. You got it, man.
Appreciate it,
I'll
as
send you
always.
those stretches,
Yeah.
and I'll see you before the next home game.
Definitely.
All right.
Thank you.